Hey everyone, welcome to Living the Home Life. It's around 11 am and since my son is at school, I thought today would be the perfect day to deep clean and organize my husband's wardrobe. It's been a while since things started piling up. My husband Nash is a fairly clean and organized person. He doesn't leave much of a mess for me to clean up, but it's always nice to give it a deep clean every now and then. Before we start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so I can keep creating more videos like this for you. Yash is kind of a minimalist. He doesn't have a lot of clothes compared to me, and he's pretty strict about sticking to neutral tones. He even refuses to add more color to his wardrobe. So I've got a fun challenge ahead, but I know it's going to look super neat when it's done. Let me know in the comments, do you have a minimalist partner or family member who's particular about their wardrobe too, or are you the one who loves all the color and variety? First things first, I'm clearing out everything from the main hanger section and the side compartments. Then I'm using a natural cleaning solution of water, vinegar and soap to spray down and clean the entire area. It's a great eco-friendly way to disinfect and freshen things up. Now I'm hanging up Yash's regular shirts and polo t-shirts and placing his most used jacket towards the end. It's all about creating easy access to him. On the top shelf, I'm putting away his travel gear, thermals and swimwear since those are the items we don't need to access daily. I find that keeping those in a place that's harder to reach but still easy to find when it needed is the best way to go. Next, I'm moving on to the second section where I'm placing all of his sweatshirts since the winter months are behind us. Right in front of that, I'm placing his loungewear pants and shorts for easy grab and go access. At the bottom, I'm adding all the other loungewear clothes and placing a little basket for extra storage and visibility. So much easier to access. I think baskets are always a good idea when it comes to keeping things neat but still accessible. I also organized his watch box. This was actually a custom gift with his name on it, but you can find similar ones on Amazon. I'll make sure to link that in the description below if you're interested. I have kept all of his blue t-shirts, white t-shirts, black t-shirts, and these are colorful t-shirts, and he has some formal shirts over here and some other casual shirts. There was no space to hang and I don't think he uses these a lot, so this is how I have organized it for now. And also I've went with the color scheme. These are all blue and green. I've mixed it because there was enough space. And here I have kept all of his black ones and grey ones. Here I've kept formal pants, and this is one like super casual but it's colorful, so I've kept it here. So he still has some space over here, here and here as well if he wants to buy more. That's the whole point. Is for me to tackle is this one, so I have taken a box so that I can dump as much unnecessary stuff into that box as much I can. This was a box I got for my son's toys when he was little, but now this is not enough for him. Also, this looks better here. We can surely utilize the space better in future. I have kept some bedding things we frequently use. And for easier access, I've also placed his dumbbells right here on the shelf. Now he doesn't have to go searching for them when he's ready to work out. I added this small hook here in the hanger section where he can hang his belt, and I put a S hook for his laptop bag. This is a huge win because usually his laptop bag ends up on a chair in the living room. Am I the only one with this problem? Let me know in the comments if that happens to you too. And here we have it. The wardrobe is clean, minimal and organized. As I mentioned, Yash isn't a big on color, but I think this looks very clean and streamlined. I'm sure he's going to love it because his love language is acts of service. I'm hoping he'll appreciate the effort I have put into this. So that's all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching and maybe got some organizing ideas for your own space. If you found this helpful or entertaining, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so I can keep creating more content for you. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.